Okay, so you were arrested on a charge of theft of property equal to or greater than $100, less than $750. Can you afford an attorney to represent you for this?
No.
Do you want one appointed to you?
Yes.
Okay, counselor?
Your Honor, she's lived in Amarillo all of her life. She's been at her current residence for 7 years. She lives with her dad. She's never been arrested before. She has been with her employer for 2 weeks. She supports one child and she does have transportation here around town.
Okay, thank you. All right, I'll set her bond at $1,000. I will make it a personal bond. Uh, so conditions are K. While you're out on bond, you cannot commit any violations against the state of Texas, any other state, or the United States. You're not going to have a bondsman checking up on you, so they'll give you a sheet of paper. It has a phone number on it. Uh, do what it says in those instructions and be sure and keep up with your court cases, okay?
Okay.
All right, thank you.
And it's
Mr. Burks, you were arrested on charges of evading arrest or detention with a vehicle, evading arrest with previous conviction, deadly conduct, resisting arrest, search, or transportation, driving while intoxicated, and reckless driving. Can you afford an attorney to represent you for this?
no.
Do you want one appointed to you? Do you want
Yes.
one appointed? Yes, counselor?
Mr. Burks, how long have you lived in Amarillo?
No background.
And are you currently employed?
No.
How long have you lived at your residence?
I don't have a permit. No.
Do you have family here? Do you have family here?
Um, we I guess I haven't seen that.
Ask the court to take that into consideration, Your Honor.
Thank you. Okay, on the evading arrest or detention with a vehicle, I'm gonna set his bond at $10,000. On the evading arrest with prior conviction, I'm gonna set it at $5,000. Conditions are K, O, and J. On the deadly conduct,
What if I did have family though?
I'm gonna set his bond at $2,000. The resisting arrest at $2,000. Those are conditions K. Driving while intoxicated at $3,000. Conditions E, J, and K, and reckless driving at $1,000. Conditions K. So while you're out on bond, do not commit any violations against the state of Texas. You must abstain from the use or possession of any illegal, dangerous drug, narcotic, marijuana, or alcohol unless prescribed by a physician. You cannot consume any alcohol. And you must remain at home between the hours of 9 p.m. and 6 a.m. If you work during those hours, you must be at your place of employment or en route to or from your place of employment to your house. Thank you.
I say what? Say it again.
I said thank you.
No, I said repeat what you said.
Which part?
End of it. The last few sentences.
That you have to be at your residence, cannot leave, must be
I'm talking about like the PR bond and stuff, whatever or whatever you said.
He's saying the conditions.
those are
Okay.
conditions, but bond conditions. Thank you.
So I have to right now go back to court if you know it.
You'll have to make bond or wait in here until you go to court.
To get released.
He's not PR bonding on any of these.
In order to get out, I gotta have a money for it.
Yes, you'll have to pay to get out.
You have to pay,
And you go back so you can go to the next.
5 to 20, 21. It's 21,000 in total, but you pay 21,
23,000.
$23, sorry.
Thank you.
Just have to see that.
Mr. George, you were arrested on a charge of driving while intoxicated, second offense. Can you afford an attorney to represent you for this?
No, sir.
Do you want one appointed to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, counselor?
Your Honor, he's lived in Amarillo all of his life. He has 2 kids that are in school here that he supports. They are in the process of buying the residence that he lives at, and he's lived there for over 4 years. He has an employer, Amarillo Water Wells, that he's worked with for 2 months, and he does have transportation to and from court.
Okay, thank you. Where did you say he worked at?
Almost 3 months.
Okay. I'm gonna set his bond at $3,000. Conditions are D, E, J, and K. So while you're out on bond, you can consume no alcohol. Within 30 days of release on bond, you must install an ignition interlock device on your vehicle.
I totaled my vehicles. Oh, sorry.
And you can't operate any vehicle without an ignition interlock device. So if you get another car, you have to put an ignition interlock, or if you drive anything else, you have to have it on there. Must remain at home between the hours of 9 p.m. and 6 a.m. If you work during those hours, then you must be at your place of employment or to or from your place of employment to your residence. And you cannot commit any violations against the state of Texas, any other state, or the United States. Thank you, sir.
About my work truck. That's how they lock me too.
Do what?
My work truck.
Yeah,
That's how they lock me.
yeah, talk to Sharon. Okay, she already knows.
Mr. Palacio, you were arrested on a charge of violating a bond or protective order. Can you afford an attorney to represent you for this?
No, sir.
Do you want one appointed to you,
Yes, sir.
counselor?
How long have you lived in Canyon?
Probably like 6 months, ma'am.
How long have you lived at the residence there?
Like 6 months.
And are you currently employed?
No, ma'am, I just recently lost my job.
And what type of work do you typically do?
Construction.
Are you gonna be able to probably get another job
Yes, ma'am.
soon? Okay. And do you have family here?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any kids in school here?
Yes, ma'am.
Your Honor, I'd ask you to take that into consideration in setting a bond.
Thank you. I'm gonna set his bond at $7,000. Conditions are F, H, K, and P. So if there's a current protective order out already, then it's still in effect.
Yes, sir.
So you have to honor that. You cannot have any contact, direct or indirect, with the subject of that protective order. You cannot go within 200 yards of their residence, place of employment, or school if they go to school.
Yes, sir.
Cannot violate any statutes against the state of Texas, any other state of the United States. And you may not possess firearms or ammunition.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, you were arrested on a charge of theft of property equal to or greater than $100 less than $750. Can you afford an attorney to
No,
represent?
Your Honor.
I'm sorry, what?
No, Your Honor.
You want one appointed to you?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counselor?
Your Honor, he's lived here in Amarillo for over a year. His girlfriend lives here and she has family here. He also has friends here in the area and he's lived at the residence listed for a year. He's never been arrested before. Right now, he is seeking employment in the food service sector and he does have transportation to and from court.
Okay, thank you. We'll set his bond at $1,000. I will make it a personal bond. While you're out on bond, conditions are K. You cannot violate any statutes against the state of Texas, any other state of the United States. And you're not going to have a bondsman keeping up with you for your court dates. So they'll give you a sheet of paper. It has a phone number on it. Follow those instructions and keep up with your court dates, okay?
Yes, sir.
All right, thank you.
This is just,
You call it every week like a bonusman and you won't have to pay to get out. Okay. Okay. All right.
yes, ma'am. So I just call him when I get back.
Yeah, and then be expecting a call from your attorney.
Ms. Harris, you were arrested on a charge of theft of property equal to or greater than $100, less than $750. Can you afford an attorney to represent you for this?
No, sir.
Do you want one appointed to you,
Yes.
Counselor?
She's lived here in Amarillo all of her life, Your Honor. She does live with her family, and has been at this residence for over 21 years. She does have friends here and she's going back to college right now. She has transportation to get around town and she currently works for Home Depot and has worked there for over 9 months.
Okay, thank you.
Oh, and Your Honor, she's never been arrested before.
Okay. Okay, I'm gonna set her bond at $1,000. I will make it a personal bond. Conditions of the bond are K. While you're out on bond, you cannot commit any violations against the state of Texas, any other state of the United States. You're not going to have a bondsman keeping up with you. So that paper he just handed you gives you instructions on how to keep up with your court dates. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Mr. Davis, you were arrested on a charge of criminal trespass.
Yes, sir.
Can you afford an attorney to represent you for this?
I'm just gonna represent myself.
You don't need a court-appointed attorney?
I need one. I need one. I don't know.
You can always apply later.
I can apply later.
So,
Okay. Counselor?
Your Honor, he's lived here in Amarillo for 11 years. He does have family here. He's currently homeless, but he does have a little bit of employment doing odd jobs and landscaping.
Thank you. Are you currently out on bond for anything else?
No, sir.
On probation for anything?
No, sir. No.
We'll set your bond at $1,000. I will make it a personal bond.
Thank you, sir.
Conditions are K. While you're out on bond, you cannot commit any violations against the state of Texas,
Yes, sir.
any other state of the United States.
Yes, sir.
Paper they just handed you is how you keep up with your court dates because you're not going to have
Sir.
a bondsman, okay?
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. Thank you. Thank you.
Mr. Williams, you were arrested on charges of tampering or fabricating with physical evidence with intent to impair. Also,
Is that? What is that, Your Honor?
you were arrested on charges of tampering or fabricating with physical evidence with intent to impair, for fleeing a police officer, and for driving with license invalid, with previous conviction, suspension, and or without financial restitution. The tampering and fabricating has been dismissed at this time for no probable cause. The probable cause being that throwing of evidence is insufficient to establish tampering. That's through case law. So the only charges you have left are the fleeing the police officer and driving with your license suspended. Can you afford an attorney to represent you for these charges?
No, sir, I cannot.
One appointed to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, counselor?
Your Honor, he's lived here in Amarillo all of his life. He has 4 kids in school that he supports. He's lived at his current residence. He's worked for them for 2 years, and he does have transportation around town.
Okay, thank you. All right, on the fleeing the police officer, I'm gonna set your bond at $750. On the driving with your license suspended at $750. Both carry bond condition of K. While you're out on bond, you cannot commit any violations against the state of Texas, any other state, or the United States. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. So, I just got those are misdemeanors, right?
Yeah.
All right, thank you.